today I'm going to show you how to set up your YouTube channel in order to make it super clean and have more views and get out there in the huge YouTube crowd. So let's go and take action today. So first thing that you want to do, guys, is create a Gmail account. If you don't have one, it's super simple. So I'm not going to go through all the steps, but you go into Google right here and you click on Gmail. And if you don't have an account, you're just going to go through the steps, and it's normal steps like creating any kind of account online. So you create your Gmail account, and after that, you're going to have these little dots here, and you click on YouTube. And here you're going to go to my channel. So your channel. And that's where everything is done. So I'm just going to stop a video because I have a video that starts automatically. So when you want to customize your channel, you're just going to go here, customize channel. So once you arrive here, I'm sorry my YouTube is in French, I'm French Canadian, but here you can choose a video that is going to be shared with all your new people coming to your channel. So if you want to make a welcome video, you can put it here. So you just had to click here, change the video. And you can also have a video that is going to be for the people that come for a second time in your channel. So you can put it just right here, and you can change it whenever you want. If you have a video that you prefer, you just change it. Okay, after that, I would suggest you to go into your branding just right here and put your profile picture here. It depends if you have a logo or if your channel is all about you, all about like your branding is you would put a picture of yourself. And super important, you're gonna make your banner. So banner, you can go on Fiverr. So you can go on Fiverr, and you have people that are willing to make a super nice banner for you for YouTube on YouTube. So you would just click on YouTube banner, and you're gonna have people that are going to be willing to outsource this work for you. So go for an artist that you like and that is going to be willing to do that for you, and it's really cheap, like $26 for something that looks really professional. So you look for the type of branding that you like, so you can have a professional that makes your banner. And here you have the subscribe button that you can put all the way in your video, and people can subscribe during your videos. So that's really useful. You just go on Google, you find an image, you can personalize it. I went really straightforward, and it's a subscribe video, squared one, so that's just it. After that, you're gonna go to general information. So you're gonna have here your description. It's super important to go into something that is into your niche. And so if you're into yoga, so if you're into weight loss, go and find keywords that relate to your niche. So my niche is mostly about grow your online business, grow on YouTube, make money online. So I have related keywords in my description. So that's super important, because if people are looking for this subject, they're gonna find you with your keywords. After that, you have the links that you can put in your banners. So you see here, I have the subscribe here button. And here is my website, mcpicardcoaching.com. So I decided to, I have 4 links because I'm on Facebook, Instagram as well, but I decided not to show these links. I chose to have the button subscribe here and my coaching website as well. And so I decide here links on the banner, the 2 first links, and here are my email address. So info@mcpicard.com. So that's it for the general info. And here I'll say, if you want to go to here and personalize it a little bit more, you're going to go into channel, and here you have your all the things that are related, all the keywords that are related to your channel. So that's super important. Just like in the description, you need to put some keywords in that part. So I wouldn't go in the other things because it's not important right now. And here, if you go into the setup of your channel, you can decide what you want people to see when they arrive. So I decided to put videos that are online, and the different playlists are going to be right after. You can add different sections as well, so you could put like as many sections as you want. So if we go into my channel, you're gonna see my banner. So you have my banner right here with different topics, subscribe here button. I have my video that starts by itself, just right here. I'm just gonna pause it so it's not taking all the energy of my laptop. So, and I have here, you see the subscribe button, so people can subscribe right into my video. And I have all the videos here, so all the videos and the playlist. So I have all my playlists here. So if people want to go straight forward into a playlist, they can access that super quickly. So that's it, guys. You're ready to go. You have your YouTube channel all set up and ready to run, and you're ready to make videos. So don't forget to post as many videos as you want, as you can, because that's how you're gonna gain some more YouTube views and YouTube's gonna notice you. So post, if you could post 1 or 2 videos a day, that would be awesome. And don't forget that after, it's only after maybe 90 to 120 videos that you start, the snowball starts to run. So don't give up and enjoy, just have fun making videos. And I really hope you got great value from that, guys. And don't forget to subscribe and click on that little bell to get notification when I post new videos out there. And give me some likes, give me some comments. I always like to read all my comments. So thank you very much and have a really good day.